Let's look at the relevant happenings of today. Indian naval ships participate in passage exercise with US Navy carrier. The Indian naval ships Teg and Kochi, along with P-81 and MiG-29K aircraft, participated in a passage exercise with the US Navy carrier strike group Ronald Reagan during its transit through the Indian Ocean region. According to the official release by the Ministry of Defense, the Indian naval warships, along with aircraft from the Indian Navy and the Air Force, will be engaged in joint multi domain operations along with Carrier Strike Group. It comprises of Nimitz class aircraft carrier, Ronald Reagan Ticonderoga class guided missile cruiser USS Shiloh, and Arleigh Burke class guided missile destroyer USS Haley. The 2-day exercise between the Indian and US Navy aims at strengthening the bilateral relationship and cooperation by demonstrating the ability to coordinate and integrate comprehensively in maritime operations. India attracts total FDI inflow of 6.24 billion US dollars during April 2021. According to the data issued by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, India has attracted a total foreign direct investment inflow of 6.24 billion US dollars during April 2021. The current numbers are 38% higher as compared to the inflow of 4.53 billion US dollars that India received in April 2020. As per the data, the global foreign direct investment inflows have been severely hit by the COVID-19 pandemic and plunged by 35% in 2020 to $1 trillion from a higher mark of $1.5 trillion the previous year. According to the official statement by the center, measures taken by the government on the fronts of FDI policy reforms, ease of doing business, investment facilitation have resulted in the increased FDI flows in India. New Zealand lifts inaugural World Test Championship trophy. New Zealand was crowned ICC World Test Champions after beating India on the final day of the World Test Championship at the Aegis Bowl in Southampton, England. New Zealand skipper Kane Williamson and Ross Taylor helped steer the Kiwis to an 8-wicket victory over India in the final hour of a nail-biting reserve day of World Test Championship final. Kylie Jamieson was declared the player of the match for his match figures of 7 wickets for 61 runs. He took 5 wickets in the first innings for 31 runs and 2 wickets in the second innings for 30 runs. Karnam Malleshwari to be the first Vice-Chancellor of Delhi Sports University. The university aims to train world-class athletes who can showcase India's sporting potential at international tournaments. She was awarded some prestigious accolades like Arjuna Award in 1994, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award and Padma Shri in 1999. The Srikakulam native, Malleshwari won many international medals including 2 gold and 2 silver in World Championship in 1993, 94, 95 and in 1996. She announced retirement after failing to win a medal at Athens 2004 Olympics. Karnam Malleshwari had won bronze in weightlifting at the 2000 Sydney Olympics and her record remains intact as no woman from India won a medal in weightlifting at Olympics. She made history at the Sydney Olympics in 2000 by lifting 100 kgs and 130 kgs in the snatch and clean and jerk categories. So these were the relevant happenings of today. I hope you like this initiative. If you find the video as relevant as the happenings discussed, kindly like, share and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.